Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to Bella's channel. Today we are going to learn about letters formation. Make a curve, go up and come down. A. Say A. Say with me. A. B. B goes down and down. Go up and turn around. B. Which sound is this? B. K. Now take out your two fingers and try to write K with me. K is curvy. K, K, K. K. D. Make a curve. Go up and come down and down. D. D. E. Which sound is this? E. Make an eye and make a curve. Say again, make an eye and make a curve. F. F is like a walking stick with a line of cross. F. G. G. Make a curve. Go up and go down and turn little. H. H. H goes down and make a bumpy. H. Say again. H. E. E goes down and down with a dot on. E. 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 J. J goes down and down, turn left with dot on. Say with me, J. J. K. K. K goes down and down with a kick. K. Say again, K. L. L. L goes down and down. L. L. Goes down and bumpy and one more bumpy. Goes down and make a bumpy. O. O goes round and round. O goes round and round. O. O. P. P. P goes down and down. Go up and make a curve. P. Q. Make a curve. Go up and come down and kick. Q. Q. R. R. R goes down and turn right. R. R. Slide down the snake. Say with me. T. T. T goes down and down with a line of cross. T. T. A. A goes down and around, up and down. A. A. V. V goes down and up. V. V. W. W. W goes down and up and again down and up. W. W. X. X. Down the side, start back at the top and cross it. Y. Down a horn, up a horn, and under his head. Y. Y. Z is like a zigzag. Z is like a zigzag. I hope you like my video. If you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe it and like it.